Hi, I'm Livy, one of the nurses here at Capraro Plastic Surgery and Regenerative Aesthetics. And today we're going to be showing you how to wash your face and do your vinegar soaks after getting a fractional dot CO2 laser or a full-fledged CO2 laser. So we have our lovely model here, Emily. She's going to be demonstrating how we want you to do this. She's going to start by washing her hands because it's really important to prevent complications. That every time you wash your face, you need to wash your hands first. And then one of the most important things about healing from the laser is not letting any buildup or gunk or exudate, as we call it, build up on the skin. But it's also important to be really, really gentle because we don't want to create any scarring right after the procedure. So her hands are clean. Now she's going to wash her face. So she's using a cleanser that, for the purpose of the video, it's the same that you'll have at your house that we give you in your goodie bag. So she's going to use lukewarm water, never cold water, never hot water. The lukewarm water, and then she is getting just a little bit of the cleanser. And then this is the most important part. She's using only her fingertips to really massage her skin really, really gently, and she's kind of getting everywhere that you would want to get and just using only the fingertips. And not using her nails, and not doing any vigorous scrubbing. And since we did the laser to her face and neck and chest, we have to remember to do our skincare to all those areas as well. So she's doing a really good job of just using her fingertips and getting that cleanser really everywhere. And then once all that cleanser feels like it's rubbed in, she's going to gently wash it off with, again, lukewarm water. And she's doing her face and neck and chest. And then we have a clean white washcloth here. Like we talk about in your consent, it's important that you have a clean stack of washcloths, to use a clean one each time you wash your face, just to prevent infection and get the best results that we possibly can from our procedure. So she's going to just blot dry. Just gently blot. Yep. Some people like to air dry, which is fine too, just as long as you're not rubbing or scrubbing or anything like that. Just a gentle blot is perfect. And then after washing her face, we're going to do a vinegar soak. So remember, the instructions are don't put anything on your face for 24 hours, and then you do a vinegar soak. And the exobalm, that's for a dot. The CO2 instructions are a little bit different, so make sure that you look at your instructions before doing this. But this video is just to show kind of the technique of how we want you doing these things. So we're imagining that she's, say day 3 from a dot. And so now we're washing our face. So she washed her face. And then we have here, this is just sterile saline, but this is going to be your vinegar mixture. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar mixed with 1 quart of water. And the gauze that we give you in your little goodie bag. And you're going to wash your hands. And then we take the vinegar mixture and we saturate the gauze with it. Okay. And then we're going to do our vinegar soak. So when you're at home, you can do this by yourself. You can have someone help you if that's easier for you. It doesn't really matter as long as you can get it done, because it's really important. So this is saturated with that vinegar mixture, and then she's just going to kind of apply it all over and give herself a little like mummifying treatment here. And then some people like to get a little spray bottle and fill it with the vinegar mixture as well, and then just kind of squirt on top to make sure that it doesn't dry out. But again, we're going to put it on face, neck, and chest since that's where we did the laser. Sometimes it is helpful to have somebody help you with this, but like Emily's showing us, you can also do it just fine by yourself. So you're going to sit like this for about 15 minutes and really let that vinegar do its job. And then most important thing is you don't let it dry out or dry onto your face. So it should remain, it should still be moist when you remove it. And yeah, the vinegar helps to remove the heat and is really soothing after a laser. So that's why we do it.